Bitcoin to $200,000? Ethereum to $8,000? Experts are going wild with their predictions. From institutional interest to regulatory changes, everything's pointing to a potential altcoin explosion. What do you think? In the latest video from Altcoin Daily, 19 altcoins are predicted to explode in 2025 due to increased institutional interest and upcoming regulatory changes. BlackRock's report suggests crypto has greater potential than the S&P 500, and with a pro-crypto SEC chair, a Solana staking ETF approval, and Ripple applying for a U.S. banking license, big money is expected to flow into altcoins. Ethereum is predicted to surge, with experts viewing it as the new Bitcoin. The video suggests other altcoins with high chances of approval in 2025 are Litecoin, XRP, Dogecoin, Cardano, Polkadot, Avalanche, and Sway. VE is a DeFi blue chip to watch out for, and Propi and VE chain are tipped for real-world asset integration. Algorand, Borg Token, Cody, and Injective are also mentioned as promising altcoins. Don't forget the $30,000 welcome bonus on WEX Exchange using the link provided. It's really interesting to see how institutional interest is shaping the crypto market. While some of these predictions seem optimistic, especially given the current market conditions, the entrance of big players like BlackRock and a generally more positive regulatory environment does suggest potential for growth. However, remember that market predictions, especially in crypto, are always speculative. The connection between traditional finance and crypto is becoming increasingly obvious, which could either boost or destabilize the market depending on various factors. The next few years will definitely be interesting to watch. In the latest video from CryptoRover, he's bullish on Bitcoin and Ethereum, predicting a final wave in this bull market. He's in profit with over $620,000 and believes Bitcoin could hit $135,000 to $140,000. He sees a bull flag forming and expects a short squeeze. He's long on Ethereum with a take-profit target of $3,000, planning to lock in $1 million in profit around $2,662. He sees a similar bull pattern in Ethereum. He suggests Bitcoin is following the M2 money supply and that retail investors aren't fully back in yet. I find it interesting how CryptoRover connects Bitcoin's price action to the M2 money supply. Though it's true, the correlation isn't perfect. Looking at recent news, the overall market sentiment does appear bullish, though we've seen increased regulatory activity and general concerns about market stability with recent banking issues. It makes his bullish prediction, along with the whole market landscape, one to watch closely. In the latest video from Lark Davis, Bitcoin's price hovers around $110,000, struggling to close above a key trend line. He predicts Bitcoin could reach $120,000 soon and even $200,000 to $250,000 this cycle. Lark discusses the U.S. economy's strength and its potential impact on crypto, mentions President Trump's Vietnam trade deal, and his criticism of Fed Chair Jerome Powell. He also covers Solana's record demand and the launch of the first Solana staking ETF in the U.S., highlighting the increasing institutional interest. Ethereum's price is consolidating between $2,400 and $2,700, with a potential breakout to $3,000 to $3,300. Ripple has applied for a U.S. national bank license, boosting its price, and Lark advises on entry points for XRP trades. He also talks about meme coins like Bonk Fun and Pump Fun. He recommends Bits as a trading platform, offering a deposit bonus and cashback. Lark's enthusiasm for Bitcoin's potential price surge is contagious, and his technical analysis adds weight to his predictions. It's fascinating to see how macroeconomic factors, like the U.S. economy's performance and international trade deals, intertwine with the crypto market. The institutional interest in Solana is a strong bullish signal, and the launch of the Solana ETF could indeed be a catalyst for further price appreciation. The regulatory landscape remains a key factor to watch, especially with Ripple's bank license application and the potential approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs. In the latest video from Coin Bureau, Guy explores ETH price predictions for 2025, noting its underperformance against Bitcoin. While Bitcoin eyes $150,000 plus, ETH struggles, despite large entities like SharkLink accumulating it. VanEck predicts ETH could reach $6,000, while ARK Invest suggests $8,000. Arthur Hayes, BitMEX founder, anticipates a potential surge to $5,000 and beyond. However, Standard Chartered revised its prediction down to $4,000 and Bitwise to $4,500, citing lower than expected ETF inflows and sluggish retail demand. The rise of Layer 2 solutions and competing blockchains like Solana challenge Ethereum's dominance and impact its fee revenue. It's interesting to see such varied predictions for ETH. While institutional interest is there, the competition from other blockchains and the growth of Layer 2 solutions are legitimate concerns. The market seems uncertain, and the connection between real-world asset tokenization and ETH price isn't as clear as some might have hoped. The future of ETH seems more dependent on broader market trends than its own technological advancements, at least for now.